JP, my neck, my back, so hello, I want to go to the beauty supply store to go buy some braiding hair because these have got to come out. I literally got these before we went to Colorado and that was like a month or two ago. So yeah, I'm so excited. Gonna take these braids out when I'm back from the hair store, do like a nice little wash day type of vibe. And oh my gosh, this vlog is gonna be so cute because y'all know how much I love a good maintenance vlog. Like self-care is key. My hair, my nails, my lashes, all of that is gonna be so yeah, excitement all around. You even hear BTArtBox in the back. This is my cute little outfit. I'm definitely in my coquette era. Wearing gray jeans, yes, slides. I actually got these for like $3 at Walmart. So yeah, let's go to the hair shop. We're here. I'm so excited. Yo, I love getting my hair done. I cannot remember if I got this brand, something else. Was it Expression or this? This store is so expensive. They literally have hair, makeup, anything that you may need, like from a beauty supply store. It's really cool. The life of me, I cannot remember. So I think to be safe, I'm just gonna get this one. Oh, they even have clothes and bags. Press-on nails too, if you're into that. This Sunny Isle brand is where it's at. Listen, if you want your hair to grow, like weeds, get this. I love this brand. I did say I'm in my coquette era. I'm tempted, for real, for real. Back home now, the hair store was a success. I literally was in and out 5 minutes. I just want to commend myself for having self-control because child, I be buying everything and anything in there, but I literally was like, I'm gonna get braiding hair only and walk out. So that cost me about 10.69. Love that for Askesana. I'm gonna cut these braids now and start undoing the braids. Oof, growth, love that fuss. I am gonna put some detangler in here. I'm thinking of shampooing my hair tonight, to be honest. I'm feeling feisty like that. I took a little break to eat dinner, clean up the spaces, take care of my daughter, and also just to, you know, relax and have a good time. But still, this took me, I want to say, an hour or slightly over an hour if I had to put the time together. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash my hair and then head to bed. The shower now. I just wanted to show you the products that I'm going to use in the shower while I'm washing, because I thought that I would use like Tachanka before I do anything. I'm not about to break my own hair on purpose, child. This is amazing. I literally got this whole bottle for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree store, so per baby. And after that, I'm going to do deep conditioner and co-wash, also from Sheer Moisture. Very minimal shedding happened because we detangle our hair first before we brush it through before washing it, child. Make sure you put detangler, even if it's just water mixed with conditioner. It's okay. It's still gonna detangle your hair. Do not comb your hair or brush your hair when it's dry. Okay. When it comes to my hair, this product is goated. Look what came in the mail today. I love, 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 love this product. It's the absolute best. With consistent use, you can actually see the difference under your eyes in like 8 to 10 days. They're so perfect. And in the whole pack, it comes with like 20 of them. So imagine if you use all 20 consistently every single night. Oh my goodness, honey, your under eyes will be snatched. Okay, they're made out of collagen and glycerin, which are great for elasticity of the skin. So yeah, overall great product. You can also put them in the fridge before usage so that it gives it like that nice cooling effect. And you know, when you cool down your skin with like ice or cold compressions, it reduces like puffiness. So great, great, great product overall. Also, once you're done washing your hair, make sure that you tie it with a microfiber towel. Shout out Mrs. C. She got me this microfiber towel as part of this spa gift set that I wanted for my birthday. Thank you, baby. Love you. And yeah, before it completely dries down, which is right round about now, I'm just gonna put some black Jamaican castor oil in my hair because your hair needs to be slightly moist. If it dries out, that's okay. Make sure that you just spritz with like water bottle. Why is it not focusing? But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now. Also, before I sleep, I'm obviously gonna put my bonnet, baby, because we protect this hair. Okay. I need your melody. You're like a melody. Don't make a melody. See, when last did we wash our makeup brushes for real, for real? I'm leading by example. I bought this makeup brush cleanser and this brush cleansing shampoo from the beauty supply store. I don't know how many months ago, child. I like to start with the sponges because they're a span. They accumulate so much product, and so I can imagine they take so long to also clean. Oh wait, it's working. But it's becoming torn. Maybe I'm using too much pressure. I finally figured it out. For the sponges, you want to use the smaller holes or the silicone part, and then for the brushes, you want to use this. Nice and clean. Now to dry them. I've just finished my night routine. I am gonna attempt to install some lashes. Is it install or because you install a wig? So do you also install lashes? Got this cute little set from TikTok shop. A link in the description below. Check that out.
Every time I come into his presence,
y'all,
he looks at my face. He sees his image.
You need to listen to
my
this.
Past. And so that's why.
Thank you. So I'm done. Took me about 30 minutes. Not bad for a first attempt. Oh my gosh. The lash salon would never see me, baby. Never ever. You reflect all that God like you forget how to love somebody. Everybody. Everyone, let's talk about it. Look like I'm more hurt than that. Look like a future. I need to get this thing up to say pass, yeah. Evening. Hot girls actually put sunscreen on even at night when they're going to bed. That's wild. But I want to wear my mask because I haven't done one of those in a while. Did you see? I have my soul and my heart. For real, for real. Ooh. Feels good. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna get started on my nails. Perfect. I know we can distract me from all that disaster. Can you touch on me and I'm gonna be after? Can you hit on me and let's get with laughter? Can you lead me to the opposite password? I need your melody. You're like a melody. Pretty simple, really. File down your nails, and then you put the nail dehydrator. And then I'm gonna put this solid gel glue on my actual nail, my natural nail, like that. I'm gonna take some nail bond on the acrylic nail, those little tips to help you so that you don't even need to touch. And then you attach. And voila. Hold it down for a couple of seconds, like that. And it's done. You break it off. So after you've done like applying the nails, you want to use these two. You've got the builder gel and the top coat. You just apply step 1, cure it in here for about 30 seconds, and then top coat for 90 seconds, and then voila, you're done with your petty. I am obsessed with this brand. You can find it on Amazon because they do like black girl friendly nails. All you have to do is literally do the same step that I did with the toes, and voila, you've got your acrylic nails done. Love that one. Really done. This is the end result of the nails. DIY. Love that fast sana. I love my nails so much. They're so cute. Thank you so much for watching my vloggy vlog of these. Self-care is key. Continue taking care of yourself and your mental health. Bye.